It is my great pleasure to welcome you all to the opening ceremony of the first Mawlai Inter-School Athletics and Lottery Competition 2026, proudly organized by the Mawlai Games and Lottery Association. Today, the 5th of August 2026, marks the beginning of a wonderful journey where young minds and talented athletes come together to celebrate excellence in both sports and literature. This competition is more than just winning medals or trophies. It is about building character, promoting teamwork, encouraging creativity, and strengthening friendship among the schools of Mawlai. Leading today's marching is Christchurch Secondary School from Mawlai Selaikariap, led by Hapila Khamti, the placard bearer, and Hamil Bangkrau Maulong, the flag bearer.
The pledge. On behalf of all the participants, I solemnly pledge that we shall take part in the first Mawlai Inter-School Athletic and Literary Competition 2026, organized by the Mawlai Games and Literary Association, with honesty, discipline, and respect. We promise to uphold the rules of the competition, celebrate excellence, and uphold the value of unity, friendship, integrity, and perseverance. We pledge to make this competition a memorable day of talent, learning, and character. Thank you.
It is with immense pride and great pleasure that I welcome you all the first Mawlai Inter-School Athletic and Literary Competition 2026. Today marked a historic milestone not only for our association but also for the young people of Mawlai. This event is more than just a competition. It is a celebration of talent, discipline, creativity, sportsmanship, and the limitless potential of our students. The Mawlai Games and Literary Association is a young organization founded in 2025 with a vision to promote excellence in sports, literature, art, and culture among the youth of our community. Although we are still in the early stage of our journey, our commitment to nurturing young talent has remained steadfast. In January 2026, we successfully organized the Mawlai Games and Literary Fest, bringing together members of our community through various sporting and literary events. The overwhelming support and enthusiastic participation encouraging us to dream bigger and reach further. The dream has now become a reality. Today, for the first time, we are privileged to welcome schools from across Mawlai to participate in this prestigious inter-school competition. This is a significant step towards creating a platform where students can not only compete but also learn from one another, build lasting friendships, and develop values that will guide them throughout their lives. The true purpose of education is not confined to the four walls of a classroom. It is about nurturing the body, sharpening the mind, and building strong character. Athletics teach resilience, discipline, perseverance, and teamwork. Literary activities cultivate creativity, critical thinking, confidence, and effective communication. Together, they help shape responsibility, confident and compassionate individuals. To every athlete standing on this field, remember that every race begins with courage. Winning a medal is an achievement, but the willingness to compete, to give your best, and to never give up is an even greater victory. To our participants in the literary competition, your ideas, your imagination, and your words have the power to inspire change. Continue to read, write, think, creativity, and express yourself with confidence. I would also like to express my heartfelt gratitude to all the participating team, schools for believing in our vision and joining us in making this inaugural event a memorable one. Your presence has transformed this competition into a true celebration of unity and excellence. My sincere appreciation also goes to the dedicated teachers, coaches, officials, volunteers, sponsors, and every member of the organizing committee. Your countless hours of planning and hard work have made this event possible. As a new established association, we recognize that this is only the beginning. We aspire to make this competition an annual tradition that grows stronger each year, inspiring future generations to strive for excellence in sports, literature, art, and academic. Together, we can build a healthier, more creative, and more united community. Finally, I encourage every participant to compete with integrity, respect your fellow competitors, honor the rules, and always uphold the true spirit of sportsmanship and fair play. May this competition create lasting memories, discover new talents, and inspire every student to dream bigger and achieve greater. With these words, I wish all the athletes the very best. May the best performance shine, and may everyone leave her richer in experience, friendship, and confidence. Thank you, and I wish the first Mawlai Inter-School Athletic and Literary Competition 2026 very success. Thank you. Congratulations.
Association is built upon the foundation of promoting talent and skill of young people, especially in Mawlai. This aspiration, however, will not be realized if not for the earnest and zealous contributions of many who have walked with us side by side to make our endeavor a resounding success. I would like to express my earnest gratitude to all the participating schools, the presence of which is going to make this event a memorable one. I'd like to express my earnest gratitude to Christ Church Secondary School, Grace Academy Secondary School, Grace Care Academy Secondary School, May Queen Secondary School, Mawlai Christian Knight Secondary School, Mawlai Presbyterian Higher Secondary School, Mount Carmel Secondary School, SKC Secondary School, Stephen Memorial Higher Secondary School, St. Francis DSSC Higher Secondary School, Umbranja Presbyterian Secondary School, Shulai Progressive Secondary School, Church of God Ecclesia Higher Secondary School, and last but not the least, Sunrays Secondary School. I'd also like to extend my deepest thanks to the members of Mawlai Games and Literary Association for being throughout the entire event, right from the literary events to today and for the next 3 days. Especially to our chairman, Shri J.S. Kharbudi, who has just delivered the keynote address. I'd also like to extend my special thanks to the Sports Authority of India for the venue, for allowing us to utilize this beautiful venue. And especially to all the sports officials, especially to Bining and his volunteers who have been working day and night to make this event possible. I know that we've faced so many difficulties, we've faced so many challenges, but I understand that the dedication and hard work and commitment would ensure that we reach the end. I'd also like to express my deepest gratitude to all the volunteers who are here with us today, and also to the sound operator who has enabled us to have this sound system, and also to the SP of East Khasi Hills, BVEX AIM, for the blank shot firings provided today. I take this opportunity also to express my gratitude to the teachers who have taken time to bring the students here today in the ground and to guide them throughout the events that we have had from last week till today and the days to come. I extend my earnest gratitude to the judges of the literary competition who have wholeheartedly and who have been with us despite the busy schedules, to Dr. Naomi C. Nonglai, to Shri M. Fankan, Shri I.L. Moplang, to Dr. Derek Langste, to Shri Kunpam Lamurong, Shri Ferdinand Rani, and Shri Krau Karkungor, who have selflessly given their time and the energy to be a part of our celebration and our events. With that, I'd like to thank each and every one of you and wish each and every participant all the best. Thank you very much.